If you're planning a trip and want to make the most of your budget while maximizing your experience, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 12 proven travel hacks that will help you save money and have a stress-free, unforgettable vacation. Let's get started. 1. Book smart. Timing your booking can lead to significant savings on travel. Aim to purchase tickets on Tuesdays or Wednesdays, when airlines often release new fare sales and matches prices from competitors. Additionally, being flexible with your travel dates can unlock cheaper options. Utilize flight comparison tools like Google Flights to spot the cheapest days to fly, and consider flying out early in the morning or late at night for the best rates. Setting up price alerts on these platforms can also notify you when fares drop, helping you snag the best deal possible before prices climb again. 2. Pack like a pro. Avoid extra fees by mastering the art of packing. Opt for carry-on luggage only to sidestep checked baggage costs. Rolling your clothes instead of folding can save significant space and reduce wrinkles, making more room for essentials. Wearing your bulkiest items, like jackets and boots, during the flight also frees up space in your suitcase. Incorporate versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched to create different outfits, minimizing the number of items needed. Using packing cubes helps organize your belongings and makes unpacking and repacking simpler and quicker. These strategies not only lighten your load, but also make traveling more manageable and cost-effective. 3. Stay connected for free. Roaming charges can be prohibitively expensive, so save money by connecting to free Wi-Fi whenever possible. Cafes, libraries, and public spaces often offer free internet access, helping you avoid costly data fees. For longer trips, purchasing a local SIM card can be a budget-friendly alternative, giving you access to local rates for calls and data. Communication apps like WhatsApp, Skype, and Telegram are invaluable for staying in touch with friends and family back home without incurring extra charges. Planning ahead to know where free Wi-Fi is available and understanding the local mobile services can significantly reduce your travel expenses while keeping you connected. 4. Public transportation. Skip the expensive taxis and car rentals by opting for public transportation. Buses, trains, and subways are often much cheaper and provide a more authentic glimpse into daily life in your destination. Most cities also have comprehensive transit apps that make it easy to navigate routes and schedules from your smartphone. Investing a little time to understand the local transportation system can save you money and offer opportunities for unexpected adventures. 5. Eat like a local. To save money and enjoy richer culinary experiences, steer clear of tourist hotspots and dine where the locals do. Restaurants off the beaten path usually offer more authentic and less expensive meals. Street food is another great option to eat well on a budget. It's not only cheap, but also a way to sample traditional dishes. Markets are also perfect for picking up fresh local ingredients if you have access to a kitchen during your travels. Eating like a local not only cuts costs, but also deepens your travel experience, connecting you with the culture through its flavors. 6. Free attractions. Take advantage of free attractions to enrich your travel experience without straining your budget. Many cities offer no-cost museums, galleries, and historical sites on certain days of the month or week. Public landmarks, parks, and beaches are also accessible without any fees and can be great places to explore. Walking tours are another fantastic way to see the sights. Some are available for free. Just tip your guide if you can. Checking local tourism websites or apps for these opportunities before your trip can help you plan a culturally immersive itinerary that won't cost a dime. 7th. Off-peak travel. Traveling during off-peak times can lead to substantial savings on both airfare and accommodations. Aim for shoulder seasons, just before or after major tourist seasons, when the weather is still favorable, but the crowds have thinned. Prices during these times are typically lower, and you'll also benefit from shorter lines at popular attractions. Avoiding school holidays and major local festivals when prices spike is another smart strategy. By choosing less popular times to travel, you can enjoy a more relaxed holiday and take advantage of lower costs and more personal space at tourist sites. 8. Accommodation hacks. Consider alternative lodging options to save on your stay. Hostels are a great choice for budget travelers, offering both dormitory-style rooms and private rooms at lower costs than hotels. Vacation rentals, such as those found on Airbnb, can also be economical, especially for longer stays or group travel. For a completely free option, look into house sitting, where you can stay in someone's home while taking care of it, and sometimes pets, in their absence. Additionally, many hostels and hotels offer discounts for extended stays or during off-peak seasons, so always inquire about potential savings when booking. These alternatives not only reduce your accommodation costs, but also provide unique experiences that typical hotels might not. 9. Reward programs. Signing up for airline and hotel reward programs can significantly enhance your travel experience while saving you money. By accumulating points through flights, hotel stays, and even everyday purchases with partnered brands, you can earn free or discounted travel services. These programs often provide additional perks, like complimentary upgrades, access to exclusive lounges, and late checkouts. Always check if there are special promotions or credit card partnerships that can help you earn points faster. Even if you don't travel frequently, being a member of these programs can gradually build up benefits that make a big difference for your occasional trips. 10. Travel insurance. Though it may seem like an unnecessary expense, travel insurance can actually save you money in the long run by covering unexpected costs. It protects you in cases of trip cancellations, delays, medical emergencies, or lost luggage, all of which can lead to significant financial strain if not covered. Depending on your policy, you may also be reimbursed for non-refundable bookings, such as flights or hotel stays, if your trip is canceled for a covered reason. For adventurous travelers, insurance can also include coverage for risky activities like skiing or hiking. A small upfront investment in travel insurance can provide peace of mind and financial protection throughout your trip. 11th. Group discounts. Traveling with friends or family. Leverage group discounts to save on activities, tours, and even accommodations. Many tour operators, museums, and attractions offer discounted rates for groups, making it cheaper to enjoy experiences together. Some airlines and hotels also provide group booking discounts, so if you're traveling with a larger party, inquire about special deals. Booking shared accommodations, such as vacation rentals, can also reduce per-person costs significantly compared to individual hotel rooms. By organizing activities and accommodations as a group, you can cut expenses while enjoying the trip with your travel companions, making the experience more fun and affordable for everyone involved. 12th. Budget daily. Setting a daily budget helps you stay on track with your spending while traveling, ensuring you don't overspend and run out of funds halfway through your trip. Start by determining your total budget and then divide it by the number of days you'll be away. Apps like Trail Wallet or Spendee can help you track expenses in real time. Thanks for watching. I hope these travel hacks help you save money and make your next trip amazing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and turn on notifications. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.